Good afternoon, right? It's afternoon and it's gizmo time.
Yes.
It's baking gizmo time.
Yes.
What do we have today?
So this is the
oh, hey, that's a lot of noise there.
bread slicer machine from Zassenhaus.
Can you move the handle a little bit so we can see?
Sorry,
yeah, there we go.
From Zassenhaus.
Zassenhaus.
Yes.
Zassenhaus.
Yes. So they make cutters. Oops,
again with
sorry.
that.
So this is a bread slicer.
Yeah.
I was talking to my friend Debbie yesterday, and she said, "Why do you need one of those?"
You don't need one.
No, but you do need one.
You might. But
I do.
Everybody.
But I'll tell you why you need
okay.
one. Because it gives you nice, even slices of bread without having wonky loaves, and
what is definition of wonky?
like crooked.
Okay.
But it also, but very important,
yes.
it allows you to cut very small, like butt ends of loaves without like trying to cut your finger off. So you can get like tiny slices of loaves.
Well, if I may, I've used this, and when I first used it, I'm like, what in the world would she buy this for? Because you gotta, but once I began to use it and get comfortable using it, it's the greatest thing in the world.
Yes.
It's the greatest thing since sliced bread.
Exactly.
Ha ha ha.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That was going to be my joke.
Was it your joke? Well, I'm always thinking.
Okay.
That's
Anyway, this does not come with it. This is our leftover piece of granite that we put it on because it's got suction cups on the bottom.
Right.
And just so we're able to like push it out of the way when we don't need it, we put it on this leftover piece of granite.
And it's always good to have the suction cups suck down on.
Right, so you don't have to keep sucking and resucking and blah, blah, blah.
Okay, let's move on, shall we?
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, they do not have their own website where they sell this, but it is on Amazon. But they are on Instagram, so you can find Zassenhaus on Instagram.
And we'll add this to their Instagram.
Yeah, they said that they would add this video to their.
Cool. Yeah, I like I said, at first I was a little bit, why?
Okay.
Why? But then now I love cutting with it.
Yeah.
I really do.
So let's just show you how it works,
Let's
okay?
do it.
All right. So we're gonna do the obvious thing, which is a nice, fresh, crusty loaf of sourdough that I just made this morning. So lovely.
That's right. And I helped with that.
So this is what it's really made for, is the crusty European breads. But I'm going to show you that I've actually used it on brioche. And we have a leftover old butt end of sourdough.
We'll show you how easy it is. Say, what kind of end is that?
A butt end.
How do you spell butt?
Well, it's the butt end of the dough, the loaf.
So spell that, please.
It's spelled just like any other butt end, okay?
Okay.
Just like butt roast, it's the same.
Okay.
Stop being 5.
Okay.
Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do... Are you ready?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right.
Because we don't have a lot of time.
Okay, let's do this.
All right. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take off the butt end of the loaf because I don't want it. So I'm just doing a thin slice. So I'm just going to... Oh, of course.
Of course it moves when you don't want it to, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I just took that piece off. Woof, nice, lovely holes.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to make it thicker, so I'm going to adjust it. And I like, when I make sourdough, I like a big, thick piece of bread. So I'm just going to push it in here like this. And voila.
But you're not very aggressive with that thing. Can I show you?
No.
You mind?
No. Yes,
yeah,
I mind.
I mean, I'll show you.
Okay, well, I mind.
Okay.
Because you're going to waste my bread.
I won't waste your bread. I'll take a slice and I'll eat the slice. But I mean, look.
All right, come on.
And look, and I've really become one with this machine, and it's wonderful. So look, I'm going to cut it even thinner because you can.
I don't like thin
but
slices.
I do, and I'm going to eat this one, okay?
Okay, but thin slices are not good. Okay. If you're going to have sourdough, you should have a nice
quiet
thick
and
crust.
you go fast, and you go like that.
Well, I do that, but I just wanted to demonstrate.
Oh, well, demonstrate it at full speed and how quickly it makes it.
Don't waste my sourdough.
I'm eating. Of course I am. What are you, crazy?
Anyway, of course I have to show off the inside of my loaf. Okay, so that's a nice...
that's delicious.
Of course it is. So that's a nice crusty loaf.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to show you
that's great.
a couple day old butt end. And look, because normally you wouldn't be able to get a good slice off of this, right? Because it'd be too small for you to slice by hand.
Mm-hmm.
But look.
Yeah. You see how much faster I drive through that?
Well, okay, but I'm trying. Okay, but
watch
you're also talking to me.
And watch your fingers.
Shh, stop talking. Look at how much I got off that butt end.
That's perfect.
Now, I'm going to show you brioche. Because it was advertised, well, not advertised, it was said on some post that I saw that this was meant for only crusty bread, but not so. Brioche, butt end of brioche.
Very soft bread.
Look,
Oh,
okay.
you see that?
Well,
It's because you don't do it with authority.
I don't do it with authority.
You gotta really, you get that thing moving, and boom.
I got it anyway.
There you go.
There you go.
You know, I mean, I could cut those paper thin with that.
Okay, so I went a little bit too small on the butt end, but you see a nice nice slice of brioche, which is softer, and that's like a couple-day-old brioche, so it's not even crusty on the outside.
Oh my God, that sourdough's fantastic.
I know.
I just finished a slice. I didn't even eat olive. I usually love olive oil and salt on it.
Yeah.
Now I just eat it like this. Doesn't matter.
So that's the Zassenhaus bread slicer. Like I said, it's on Amazon. You can adjust.
Yeah. And the first, like I said, the first few times I used it, I almost did it like you. I was a little timid with it, but then I really start ramping it up.
I'm not timid. I'm just trying to show what it's like on camera, also without cutting myself.
Right, but I was
while
showing.
I'm talking.
I was showing what it was like real world. Boom.
Okay.
I cut that slice. Done. Boom. Done.
All right.
That's how you do it.
We're done.
We're done.
We're done.
Say bye.
Bye.